Hello everyone, this is V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In this video, we are discussing about the JavaScript. In previous videos, we are discussing about the HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to create the web pages, and we are also discussing about the CSS, means which appears more attractive than a normal web page. By using the CSS, we are improving the appearance of the web page. Here we are using the JavaScript. The JavaScript is used to improving the interactivity between the user and the web page. The objectives are introduction about the JavaScript and what are the static and what are the dynamic web pages and what are the different types of scripting languages like server-side scripting and client-side scripting languages and syntax of JavaScript. JavaScript introduction. The JavaScript is invented in 1996 by Netscape. JavaScript is a web-based client-side programming language that runs in the browser. It is used to make interactive web pages that can add life to boring static HTML web pages. JavaScript is used mainly to add functionality to the web pages and valid forms, invoke actions based on users, events, etc. In here, the JavaScript is more interact with the users because of by using the validation forms. Validation forms are alert box, pop-up box, message boxes. It is the most popular scripting language on internet and works in all major browsers. Generally types of web pages are generally two types. The first one is static. Here we are discussing about the HTML. HTML is a static web pages. In this, though no specific interaction between the client. When we are writing some code, it will display, but there is no interaction with the client or user. Dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages have interaction with the client as well as validations can be added. Validations means, for example, email ID consists of @ symbol and .com or .co.in, and phone number consists of 10 numbers minimum. International format plus and followed by 2 numbers, country code, then followed by 10 numbers. JavaScript introduction. What is a script? Script is a small piece of code. A scripting language is a high-level programming language whose programs are interpreted by another program at runtime rather than compiled by the computer processor. By using JavaScript, we can create interactive web pages. It's designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. Here we are embedded the JavaScript in the HTML pages. The scripting language generally two types. The first one is client-side scripting language, server-side scripting language. In generally, client-side scripting languages are performing simple validation operations at a browser level, and server-side scripting language is mainly used for database verifications. For example, servlets and PHP. These are the server-side scripting languages. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. JavaScripting features. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted programming language. It is a purely object-oriented scripting language. JavaScript code as written between script and scriptlet tag. And all JavaScript statements end with a semicolon. JavaScript ignores white spaces. JavaScript is case-sensitive language. Script program can be saved as either .jas or .html. Advantages and limitations of JavaScript. The advantages are can put dynamic text into a HTML page using to validate the input forms and input data in the forms. JavaScript code can react to the user events, means it will give some alert boxes, message boxes. Limitations of JavaScript. It is a client-side scripting language, so it is not allow reading and writing of files in the database. This has been kept for security reasons. And JavaScript does not have any multi-threading or multiprocessor capabilities. Syntax. The JavaScript is embedded in the HTML document. Here within the HTML document we are placing the script, JavaScript code, and finally /script for closing the script. JavaScript in header or body. You can place any number of scripts in the HTML document. Scripts can be placed in the body or in the head section of the HTML page or in both. The example for JavaScript is HTML. Here within the body we are writing the script language JavaScript and type equal to text by JavaScript. Document.write hello world. It will print the message in the web page. Thank you.